Hello, children. Today I'm going to share one link. As you can see, I'm sending you this link in your WhatsApp. Click on this link. The moment you click on this link, you will go to Google Play, and there you will see one app which is known as Coding and AI app, PictoBox. So you have to install it. After you install, you click on Open. Sorry. You click on Open, and when you click on Open, this interface will appear on your mobile screen, and there you will see so many things are there. But when you open it for the first time, many dialog box will appear, and there you have to read those, or you can simply click, and there you will go to MySpace. In this MySpace, you can see that this one is a project which I have made for adding to numbers, and here one thing is Toby walking. Now in this video I'll show you how to add two numbers using this Scratch programming mobile on your mobile. So first, what you have to do, when you go to so first thing which I have to do, you go to MySpace. Okay, you click on MySpace, and there when you click on MySpace, on the right hand side corner you will see one add button. You click on this add button. The moment you click on this add button, you will see this screen will appear. On that screen, by default, one character is there. Now in this project we are not going to do anything with the character, but still there are few features that you can do. You can change the character. How you will change? One thing you can do, see here we have two things. The first thing which we have is the beer, which is here, and what I will do, I will simply click on it, and there will be three options will appear. I click on the delete button. You will see that beer is disappeared. Now I want to import some other animate picture or other character. I click on this icon. I click here, and you will see there are so many options to choose from. There are animals, fantasy, dance, music, anything. So here from the I'll go in animals, and there I will choose, suppose this cat. Okay, I use this cat, and it might take some time. After some time you will see one cat have appeared. Now in the class I have mentioned in that we have to use the variables. Now where you will get the variables? Now on your screen on the left hand side there are many things, and under this you will see one orange button, and there it is called variables. Now for adding two numbers we need three variables. First two variables we will use for assigning numbers, and the third variable will be the calculation, that is the addition. So how to add your own variables? I will click here, make a variable. I click here, a dialog box will appear along with your type. So you can simply click here and your typing will go away, or you will click this click here where you have not put any name. So I click here and I give the first variable as A, and I click on OK. The same way I make the another variable, that is variable B. OK, and the last variable, that is C, and I click is OK. Now as you can see, the moment I added the variables here, on our screen there are three variables, and all of them have their value as 0. Now what you have to do is we have to click where set A. Now we have to put the numbers. For that what we have to do, we simply press set A and drag and leave it here. Okay. Now suppose you want to add two numbers. We make this number quite big. Let's make it a bit difficult. 1240. Now I will add the variable number b. I will assign another number for add. For that also I will click on set A. I'll just select it, drag and put it under. Now here you can see both of them are A, but we don't need both A, right? So we have a drop down arrow. What we will do, we'll click here, drop down arrow, we select B. Means we are telling them, the program, that the first number is 1200 and the second number, suppose 3450. Now I'll again drag and leave, and now I'll say C. Now C, we will not enter any number. In C, what we will do, we will add. Now to give that instruction, we have to go to operators, this green one. So we click here, and as you can see there are many options, but as we are adding two numbers, we will do what? We will simply drag and keep it here. Now look very carefully. The moment I bring it nearer to the 0, there is a glowing white line. If I remove it, it is gone. Now look again, and I put it here. So C is to adding two numbers. Now what are those two numbers? Those numbers are our variable A and variables B. So we'll click on variable, and now we have to select these two same way, A, and put it here, B here. So this is so this is our three variables and what they have to do. Now when will they give us an answer? For that we need to click on event, not the orange one but the yellow one, event. We click on event, or we touch, we select event, and we click when green flag is clicked. Where is this green flag? Okay, let me show you. Here on your right hand side corner there is a green flag, meaning the moment I will touch the green flag, here these three variables value will change and it will give you the total sum. See very carefully, because I am going to touch or click the green flag. Now everything is 0. Okay, here everything, all the numbers are 0. Now I look at this screen, this place, here everything is 0. I'll just touch the green flag, and now look here, the entire number have changed. The first one is showing number 1, that is 1240. The B is showing the number which we had entered, and C is the sum of these two. So this is the project that you have to do. And now how will you share it? So what you will do, before you leave, make sure to save it. And now where will you save? Here on the right hand side top corner, look at this one, the first one. Okay, this is a floppy or save sign, we know. So I'll click here. Here you will write your name, SHREYA, Shreya, and I'll write Scratch project, or you can write project, and I save it. And now I will go out here, this arrow, I click here, save. And now see, earlier there were only two projects, the mathematical operation and the Toby walking. Now how will you send it to me? It's very simple. First you have to select the project. Suppose I select this project. I select it, and here you will see a option, upload, a arrow going upwards. I click here. Now export selected. I click on export selected. As I have used this one for a long time, so here we already have a folder. But for you, when you use it for the first time, you will see they will ask you to create one folder. So you create a folder under the name Scratch Programming on your mobile, and I click on use this folder, and I click on allow, and the moment I allow, it will be saved on your mobile. Now I'll go MySpace. I click here, and now you can see we have a share option here. On the top we have a share option. The moment it is saved on your mobile, it will show you a share option. So I click on share, I click on WhatsApp, and what I will do, you will select my number, and you just send it to me. Okay, and you write your name, roll number and class, and click send. The project will come. I'll click here, I'll open with it, and I will be able to see your entire project. So this is how you make the project and you send it to me. Okay, so sometime it might happen that it might take some time, but it depending on your internet capacity. So I request, if it taking some time, please wait, and I will be able to see your project, and the moment I open your project, it will be shown on my mobile as well. So this is how you create and share your project, and this is compulsory for all the students. Please do practice, watch the video as much as you want. Thank you everyone, have a nice day.